Hi guys, my name is Somil Shah and this would be a tutorial how to connect your Raspberry Pi how to connect your Raspberry Pi via SSH without using a external monitor and getting a display of Raspberry Pi on your laptop itself and working on your laptop instead of connecting an external monitor, keyboard, mouse and other stuff. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need is you have to go to your default router. You should know the gateway of your router, and after you do that, go to the default router settings, then enter your credentials. Then I have to go to attach devices right here. So after you go to the router's login page, that is you enter your username and password, go to attach device, and there you can see your Raspberry Pi is connected to the internet. The default IP, I'm sorry, not the default, the IP address in my case is 192.168.1.4. That is a class B IP address basically. So note down this IP address in a notepad and with the username of your Raspberry Pi. After you're done with the setup, you have to go to Google and basically you have to install 2-3 softwares. So I'm just going to show you what softwares do you need. So first of all is Putty. So just Google it, download Putty, and you can download the Putty from the putty.org. So after you're done with downloading Putty, you have to download VNC viewer. Again, the first link, download it and you should be done. So after doing that, go to Putty. So enter your IP address. In my case, it is 192.168.1.4. The default port for Putty has to be 22, and make sure you are on the SSH part. If you have not enabled the SSH, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So first of all, let's have a look at the Putty itself. So open. So login in as Pi. So the default username is Pi and the default password is Raspberry Pi. And the way you change your default password is you go. What you have to do, you have to just type this PASSW. So you type in this command into the into the Putty, and you can change the default password. So I have already changed that. So let me log in into Putty. So due to security reason, you won't be able to see the password that you are entering in. So after you're done, so congratulations, your Putty has been configured. Your Pi has been configured via SSH. Now you have to do sudo/i. Sudo I means that you are a root. You are the admin and you want to access all the root directories. So you can see, you can just have a look at it. So it has changed from root @Raspberry Pi. So that's it. And now how to connect the display. But before connecting the display, you need to update all the files on your Raspberry Pi. So go to sudo apt-get update. Just install on enter this command in the Putty and sudo apt-get list upgrade. So do that. After you're done with that, so how to view the display of your Raspberry Pi? Go to VNC viewer. So here you can see 192.168.1.4. Remember guys, whatever is your IP address, you have to press :1, 192.168.1.4:1. If you just simply type in the IP address, it won't work. It would show you error and you would be thinking why it is not connecting to my Raspberry Pi. So I had this problem before, so I'm telling you. So press :1. All right, we are done. Continue. Enter the password. So in my case, it is this one. And the username for my device is Pi. So yeah, voila, you're done. Congratulations, you are inside the Raspberry Pi, and here is a Raspberry Pi display. You can access each and everything now. That is the Python, task terminal and stuff. So I told you how to enable SSH and VNC viewer. So what you have to do is go to preference, Raspberry Pi configuration, and right here on the interface section, enable the SSH and enable VNC. Now in order to view the VNC on your Raspberry Pi, whenever you're connected to Putty, simply type VNC server hit enter, and the VNC server would be starting. So you can just have a look at it. So you can just have a look at the IP address as 192.168.1.4. Now it's :2 because since I'm using a 2 virtual desktop. So that's it. So here is the desktop, and here is the putty. So guys, if you have any doubts or question, you can let me know. You can let your doubts, you can paste your doubts in the comment section below, and I would try my best to answer your questions. And as we believe that knowledge should be shared, that is what I am doing. So that's it guys. Thank you very much guys. And